Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Bank of America online banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser like I already did, and then go into your search bar and just type for Bank of America login. And after you do so, many results will now pop up on your screen. You can just click on the first link that says online banking login/user ID. After you do so, it will take you to the official login site of Bank of America. And here you can see that it has loaded up on my screen. Now in the left hand side, you can see that you need to input your personal details to continue to your bank account. Now just input your user ID. And if you are on your private computer, you can tick this box, save this user ID for easier access next time. But I would not recommend you doing so if you are using a public computer. Now after inputting user ID, just type in your password. But in case you forgot your password, you can use this button "Forgot your password" to help you reset and retrieve it. And then you can just hit on login after inputting your credentials, and then you'll be logged in into your Bank of America account. And that's how you can log in into your Bank of America online banking account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.